Hi, I'm Webmaster Chris Heidlebaugh, owner and operator of Colorado Web Impressions, and welcome to our website. I'm so thankful that you're here, and I just want to share with you 5 reasons why many companies choose to work with us. And I know that you're looking to interview and talk to a lot of companies, and I admire you for that. You need to talk to different companies, learn more about them, learn about how they do things, how the relationship's going to be, right? I believe in communication. I believe business is like a marriage in a lot of ways, right? You want to be able to communicate. You need trust. You need to be able to, lean on one another for advice, for tips, for help, for support at the end of the day, right? So here's 5 reasons why you might choose to work with us at Colorado Web Impressions. Number 1, we are local. We're located off of Woodman in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We have an office. We've been doing this for 20 years. And it's one of those things where, if you are in Colorado, I know the pain of working with a company that might be a few states away, or they're in another time zone, or even in another country. Those things can be very difficult. They can be very hard, right? And so for us, being in the same time zone with you and in the same areas, we can get work done typically that same day or a lot faster because there's not that time delay. So if you contact us at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's not like it's 5 o'clock somewhere else and they're already closing for the day. So being local is a big deal. And if you're down in Colorado Springs, we can catch up for a cup of coffee or hang out. We always do truly like that as well. Number 2 is we show our pricing online. Now, this is controversial with a lot of companies because it's one of those things that some companies believe that your pricing is based on the value they're going to bring to you. So let's just say your website, which I believe is your new business card. People go to your website to learn more about you. Say people go to your website and say your website's going to bring in $200,000 a year worth of sales. Well, a lot of web designers will base your website price based on what you plan to sell or what you plan to bring in. And that's just not how we do things. We really believe in transparency. We believe in being open and being honest. So when you look at our pricing tab on our website, we show what we charge for web design, okay? And we show what it comes with. And so that way there's no hidden fees. There's no hidden anything. Like, we are very upfront. And this is kind of our first way of creating that foundation with you to say, hey, this is why you might want to work with us, because even from the get-go, we're transparent and we show our pricing up front. So check out the pricing. Of course, our biggest thing is doing web design and then doing all-in-one monthly marketing, okay? So that is a package that includes your website maintenance, your IT support for the website, web hosting, domain name, but also keeping your website up to date. If you have changes, if you have updates, things, we take care of that. But also your lead generation, right? So the monthly SEO services, helping you get found in the search engines, helping you improve your rankings, right? Helping you with Google Maps, helping you, get found in Google Maps, help you with your reputation management, help you get more reviews and things like that. But also help you with your social media marketing. So if you're using certain platforms, we want to help you. So if you're on Facebook, we want to post your products, your services, your reviews, your lifestyle, pictures. Like if you send us pictures of your team, we want to, put that stuff on there for you. So we really believe in having one hand to shake, where it's saying, hey, we're going to take care of all this for you. So that way you don't have to worry about working with 3 different companies. And I have no problem also teaching your staff how to do what we do as we're doing this, so that way you can succeed online. Number 3 is our experience. I've been doing this for over 20 years. And so with that, I've been able to see a lot of websites. I've been blessed to have managed upwards of $500 million a year in sales for clients. And it's one of those things that, because I have worked with so many different industries and I see so many different things, my goal is to pass that along to you. So as a teacher, as an author, as a college professor, my bachelor's is in internet marketing and my master's is in computer science with an emphasis in cybersecurity. I truly love the cyber psychology of how people use websites. And so as I pass that along to you, we're looking at scientific, data to say, hey, when we build websites, when we do things, we want to do this with an approach that your customers are going to respond. And so, for me, it's really a matter of, I want to be able to walk beside you and give you honest, ethical advice to help you succeed online. Okay, number 4, and probably one of my favorite thing is we are a small family and faith-based company. It's one of those things I'm very blessed to work with my family. We do this together, but we're also very active in the community, and faith is very strong to us, right? We're at church multiple days a week. I'm in a school of ministry myself. It's kind of like I joke with people. I'm a web designer by day and a pastor by night, right? It's just really truly one of those things where, money aside, right? We all need to make a living. We all need to provide for our families. But at the same time, I believe that it's something where we have to stand for something. We have to live for something. And for us, we believe that Jesus Christ is our Lord and Savior. That's just how we do things. Now, does that mean that you need to believe what we believe? No, absolutely not, right? Does that mean we're going to, hit you over the head with the Bible? No, not at all. But it does mean that we're going to pray for you. We are going to pray for your business, whether or not you believe or not. We're going to pray for your business. We're going to pray that, your employees are safe on the job, that you are getting the leads that you need, that your marriage is good, that your family is good, that your kids, everybody's good, right? We care. We're a praying company that cares about our clients. And that really has been, something that set us apart from other companies is we don't look at you just as another invoice. We don't look at you as another number. You're not going to work with, I'm not here to sell you something and I pass you off to another country or another company or some, low-level minimum wage employee. That's not what we do. We care about every single client. So we only work with a very few clients because we want to give you that type of personal experience that you need, right? So really number 4, and again, what's so important to me is just family and faith. All right, number 5, and one thing that really a lot of our customers really appreciate is we have a loyalty guarantee with you, okay? So let's just say whatever industry you're in, you could be an electrician, a plumber, a roofer, an attorney, a doctor, an author. Like, it doesn't matter what it is that you're in, okay? If you are working with a digital marketing company who's trying to help you get leads and sales, and there's only one company that can be number 1 in Google, right? I don't believe it's fair for a digital marketing company to represent you, and your competition, right? So if I'm helping you and then I'm helping, 2 or 3 other, companies that are your competition, I just don't think that's fair. So yes, our pricing might be a little bit more than some companies. We might give more of a personal approach. I might be upfront to say, hey man, we really care about you and your business. I want to know what are the pain points that you go through. What are some wins that we can have? When I say, hey, we got, 50 leads this month or whatever like that, I say we because we care about your business, right? I'm not here to help you and your competition. On Google, it's a chess game, right? We pass somebody and then they pass somebody else and back and forth. And so if we have login access to your websites and to your analytics and we see what's going on, and then we're also helping your competition, man, I think that's a conflict of interest. I really do. And so there's some companies that they'll say, well, and they start to stumble, right? I mean, for them, it's about money. And again, it goes back to the suit and tie dude that comes up and tells you everything you want to hear. They tickle your ear. Oh, we guarantee to help you, blah, blah, blah. And that's just not the case, right? And so we really believe in building a relationship. So again, our transparent pricing, our experience, being loyal to you and really caring is so important to us. That's number 5 is really, we have a commitment to you that we don't work with your competition at the same time. So those are our top 5 things. List could go on and on, right? There's always something that separates somebody. Everybody can build a website. Everybody can do SEO. You can do your own SEO, right? And we could teach you. Like if you say, Chris, man, that would be great. Instead of us just paying somebody all the time to do our work for us, it would be great if we can invest in our own staff. I'm happy to walk beside you and teach your team how to do what we do as well, right? But a lot of times people say, look, we are good at our industry. We are good at being a roofer, being a house moving company, a realtor, an attorney. I'm good at what I do. You're good at what you do. Let's work together, right? So it's one of those things that we're transparent. There's nothing to hide. We're here to work with you. So we thank you again for, choosing to come to our website. We hope that we can educate you. We have all kinds of information. Again, you can look at our pages, some of the services. If you see a video like this, please watch it, right? You might be able to learn about that individual service like web design or SEO and lead generation, social media. You can look at our pricing. Well, what about our get a quote? You might wonder what happens after I send this form or how does our process work? These things are very important. So I want to share that with you. So thank you again so much for watching this video. I've probably taken a little bit too much of your time. But again, we believe in transparency. We want to be open with you. So thank you so much. I hope to hear from you, and I hope you have a blessed day. Take care.